Let's get accessible. I'll walk you through manual installation of the UserWay widget on your BigCommerce store. As usual, the first thing you need to do is register your site at userway.org at the top right of the UserWay homepage. Complete all the listed steps until you get your unique code snippet. You can find a detailed tutorial on how to get your unique code snippet here. Copy your code snippet to your clipboard or save it to a text file. It's just text. We've also sent you a welcome email with the same code. If you have already registered for a previous site, you can add your new site to your list and it will use the same code. For a walkthrough, go here. If you like, you can sign in to your UserWay dashboard at userway.org, go to the top right menu, find My Embed Script and copy the script or code that you'll find there. This script is actually your unique code. If you have any issues finding your sign-in, you'll find the sign-in credentials in the welcome email as well. Grab your unique code snippet and let's go. I will see you in BigCommerce. I'm in the BigCommerce dashboard. I'll show you where to paste the code. Go to the left navbar menu and click on Storefront. In the sub-menu, scroll down and click on Script Manager. In the resulting page, titled Script Manager, scroll to the right and click on Create a Script. Type UserWay in the name of script text field. Select the location on page to footer. In Select Pages where script will be added, choose All Pages. Below, in Script category, select Essential. In Script type, select Script. A text field will appear. Paste your unique code in the text field and click on the Save button at the bottom right. You're all set! Now go ahead and publish your BigCommerce store to make sure your UserWay widget is installed and working correctly. At this point, if you'd like to customize your widget options, you can choose to sign in either directly through your widget or you can go to manage.userway.org and check your dashboard there. All your widget customization options are available in either place. You may also want to consider the more robust UserWay Pro widget. For more extensive accessibility and compliance options, upgrade via the link in the description below this video.